Welcome to VIYOMEE Season 2. My guests today are the most overrated people on YouTube and digital. Scout is one of the biggest games in the country when it comes to females. The other one is getting crazier. In the last few months that she's been a part of it, Kashmi and Scout, welcome to that.
According to the time, I realized that Mortal is a girl.
He is quite a girl.
So, you're saying that the song... What the fuck?
पेरस कर देंगे
My God, you are so mean.
Forget the stuff that happened.
It happens.
So, if I asked you, what do you do? What would you say?
Basically, when people ask me like what you do, I just say, do that, like, bro. So basically, like, I sell kids for a living, you know, that's as simple as that.
You what?
Do shit.
Fab. What about you?
I just,
I mean, see, now that you...
I mean, people know me because of Scout.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Tell me, how do you guys know each other?
I am an FPS lover. I love action.
Yes, first.
FPS, first person shooter.
No, it is for people silently. So I was looking for mental people and I got her.
But that almost sounds like... when I was researching you, lots of pages kept saying Scout is this female who's known for his butt sexism while he's playing. Why is that?
So there was a time in my career where my teammates were like going really down. So I just started like twerking and shit on them.
Wow.
So,
I can work about 5 hours a day and then...
Scout, when was the last time you did that?
bro, आज ही तो किया था मैंने.
But tell me, how do you sort of like, how you guys do this?
Or should I tell it? Explain it completely?
Yeah.
Let me hit you.
There we go again.
Hit you with that.
Okay. Now we're done with the conversation part of the show.
My ex is a cheerleader.
Kashmi, I want you to focus.
Okay.
What we're going to do is pole dancing, where you take off a piece of clothing. So, who should I start with?
Ladies first.
Scout, who's one famous gamer that you find attractive?
Oh, famous, na?
Yeah.
Mortal.
Okay, there you go. What would you do if you woke up one morning and realized you turned into Scout?
I don't know, go outside and killing myself out there.
Okay, stop. Scout, what would your bio on a dating app read?
Fuck me as hard as you can.
Oh God.
According to you, what kind of content is outdated and should be banned from the internet?
These highlight channel videos that make news with clickbait titles about all other gamers.
Yeah, fair enough. Complete the sentence. I'd rather be single than date dash.
Scout.
Well done. Is there something that you guys would like to say at the end of this?
I'm a figure.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I'm one punch, man. Shut the fuck up. What is the pressure?
I have all the pressure right now. I'm fresh.
I'm a chapri.